Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we're opening up Simply Earth for the first time. So let's get in and let's get into the box. All right guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're opening up Simply Earth, and what Simply Earth is, it's a monthly essential oils subscription box. And I don't know about you guys, but I tried to get into essential oils probably a couple years ago, but when I saw the exorbitant, super expensive prices, I was like, I'm okay. All right, so I don't know if you guys have ever come into that, but the prices for essential oils could be better. But the beauty of this one is I get to share this one with you, and thank you for Simply Earth for sharing this box with me so I can share with you guys, because I love cleaning naturally. I love having natural scents in my home. So if you know anything about me, I'm all into natural skincare, cruelty-free skincare, vegan skincare. That's what we're all about here. So every month, what you do is you get essential oils. But the beauty of this is, if this is your first box and if you use the code that's here, but it's Lynette free, if you use that code, you will get not only your regular monthly box, but you will get a bonus box that's gonna help you put all those recipe ideas together. So we're gonna first start with the regular, this is the February Simply Earth box. We're gonna start with that, and then if this is your if you're kind of curious what comes in that big bonus box, just stay tuned after this. The February box will look at to see what you can use for bonuses. Now I took a sneak peek at that bonus box. Let's just say you do not want to buy this without using that code to get that bonus box. So every month your box comes like this, and it shows who handpicked the items in your box. So for me, my box was put together by Katie. So if you get Simply Earth, let me know in the comment section below who put your box together. For me, it was Katie. Okay, so I took stuff out already. I'm like jumping the gun without showing you guys. All right, so this is what comes in your box every month. And then you get recipe ideas of how to put the ingredients together so that you can make different things. So every month you get like different recipe cards. You can probably go to the dollar store and put all these cards in there, so you can kind of keep an idea of what makes what or how to make what. Okay, so I have a note here, and so I'm assuming you're gonna get a note, of course, in your subscription. So my note is from Katie, who's actually the owner of Simply Earth, and it says here, "Hi friend, how are you feeling about your skin this month? This month's theme is love your skin. So in February, when I look in the mirror, I see all kinds of pale. My eczema is likely to flare up, and all my skin imperfections that were hiding behind my summer tan have been blaring out at me for the past couple of months. Can you relate to any of that?" Absolutely, yes I can. All right, so it says, "Well, no more." Well, with this month's box, you can take control of your skin to get beautiful, glowing skin. Plus, all of your skincare recipes are non-toxic and made with natural ingredients. So this month's, this Valentine's Day, as you celebrate love, be sure to celebrate yourself too, and great toxin-free skincare. So that's what that looks like there. And then it gives you like a description of all of the essential oils. If you guys want to take a screenshot of that, awesome. Now I am excited about this because a little birdie, because I'm nosy, and I looked at a couple other videos. It looks like they're sharing with you which essential oils are safe if you have pets and things like that. So we're gonna go through that here. Okay, so the first one, I'll go by the index card here so we can kind of go through it together. So the first one I see here is fir needle, and that's what that looks like there. So that's that essential oil. So for this one, it says, so for fir needle, it says uses for energy, deodorizing, pain relief, decongestion. It says safety, always dilute before putting it on your skin. Kid safe for 2 and up. Pregnancy safe, yes. Cat safe, yes with the diffuser, and dog safe with diffuser. So that's super cool. So we have that one. So we have fir needle, and this one, the smell of this one, it says it smells like evergreen. Okay, and then the next one we have here is veins. Now I doubt that smells like veins, but let me see what that one smells like, because that kind of throws you off. So this one smells like juniper berry and lemon. So that's what that would look like or smell like, and that's how big that one is. So for veins, it says uses, warms, reduces appearance of spider veins. Oh, that makes now it makes sense. And ingredients is, like we said, cypress, juniper berry, and lemon essential oils. Safety, it says always dilute before using it on your skin. Kid safe, 2 and up. Pregnancy safe, yes. Cat safe, diffuse with caution, and dog safe, diffuse and use. So this is both, you know, to a degree, it's both pet safe free. And then the next one we have here is coffee. So this one, it says uses, warms, and invigorates. Safety, always dilute before using it on your skin. Kid safe, 2 and up. Pregnancy safe, yes. Cat and dog safe, yes. So diffuse. So you can use this with them. And then the last one we have here is frankincense. So you see that there. And frankincense, it says what the purpose of this one is fights germs, pain relief, and mental clarity. So safe, again, dilute before using. Kid safe, 2 and up. Pregnancy safe, yes. Cat and dog safe. It says diffuse and use. So this is both for them. And then the extra one you have here, this is a bottle for Rose Hydrosol. So that's what that says here. This one is, it says it's a natural byproduct made in the process of distilling rose essential oils. So it's filled with therapeutic properties and is water-based rather than oil-based like essential oil. And then it just gives you some other ideas. And then we have French green clay. So this one says clay helps detox the skin by bonding to impurities, making them easy to rinse off the face. We love French green clay because it's gentle, revitalizes and nourishes the skin. Natural recipe, and it gives you the recipes on here. So the reason why I like this box is because they don't just give you the essential oils and say, okay, bye, good luck. They actually give you the recipe cards so that you can put things together. So, and then they, like I said, they give you this so you can kind of have an idea if it's safe. Now, if you have pets and you're kind of concerned and you don't want to use them in your home, I saw a different DIY I think last year, and she had pets in her home, but what she did is the essential oils that she knew wasn't safe, she actually used them as an air freshener in her car. So there's an idea. So they won't go to waste because you can use them outside of your home. So again, we have the recipe cards, and on the back of this one, it actually gives you the recipe for a rose hydrosol bath. So it tells you what to do. You can put this in your bath, and then with Epsom salt and a resealable, I guess if you wanted to put it away for the ingredients. And then let me see what the other ones say. So, oh, it just gives you some information. It says this month in purchasing this box, you're helping to disrupt trafficking to end human trafficking. So 13% of all Simply Earth profits go to the organization to end human trafficking. So that's awesome. And then let's see. Okay, so the other side, it has the clay and rose mask. So those are the ingredients to put that together, and it gives you like the ingredients. So basically you would put this together with that green clay, and then a resealable, if you wanted to, a resealable container. So that's if you wanted to put that away after. And then let me see. So this is just saying this is the love bundle. So I guess that's what this month's theme is. Again, we said that. And then on the other side, it gives you an espresso diffuser blend. So when you put the coffee and frankincense together, you can make that diffuser there. So those are the ingredients. See, things like that, I would have no idea, especially if you've never diffused, never used essential oils. I would have no idea where to start. So they're definitely getting you off to a good start. And then here, it gives you a sneak peek at next month's. I'm gonna leave that for last because I love sneak peeks. So I'm gonna put that to the side for last. So if you're definitely curious if you should get next month, definitely stay tuned. So we'll leave that for last. And then Veins Sugar Scrub is another recipe here. So you would put sugar together with, what is that? Fractionated coconut oil, 9 drops of vein oil, blend, and then you blend it together in a small bottle. And we'll talk about the bottles next. That's gonna be in the big bonus box, so let me put that away. And then the last one is Skin Healing Body Butter. So basically you put together coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil, and 50 drops of vein essential oil, some of the French green clay, and then you put that away in a container. And then, okay, so those are a ton of good ideas because I'm definitely gonna use them. So let us talk about, so we have our recipe ideas, or maybe you've Googled different recipes ideas. So what do? So we have a big bonus box. Love the container, it's super huge. So if this is like, you're definitely excited to get this one, this is what you're gonna get with your first box. Remember, use Lynette Free if you want to get the extras that are coming in it. All right, so this is what the inside of this huge box looks like. And of course, we're gonna dive deep into the entire box. So I don't know if you guys remembered, I mentioned that you needed coconut oil for some of those recipes, right? Boom. Here's a coconut oil, so you don't have to even go to the store. Coconut oil is right here. And this is a big container. So you are all set with the butter, the body butter, I think we mentioned, I don't know what else said it, but I remember the body butter ingredient recipe said they needed coconut oil. So this is a big, huge container of that. And then let me take this stuff out. Okay, so we have also the essential oil for coconut oil. So if you saw in the recipe, it said you needed like a couple drops of coconut oil, and then you needed the fractionated coconut oil. This is it. Boom, you got it right there. So those are the two things. And then almond oil, you have that. So this is like definitely getting you on point to putting those recipe ideas together. So you have your 4 essential oils, you have your 2 other essential oils here, so you can put that together and make a ton of different ingredients. Now I'm gonna take this out so that you guys can see, but the big bonus box, it gives you empty vials so that you can make your own recipes. I have a ton here, so I'm not gonna take them all out because I want you guys to see it, because you see all of those vials, you can make like a ton of different recipes. And then, like I said, you guys get the sticker labels. So you can put those on those vials so that you know what the heck is in there, and then you can continue. Now they give you those stickers every month, so that gets you going. So you can keep putting those recipes in there, and then putting everything, all the recipes that maybe that you create, the ones you find through the company, or the ones that you don't. So I don't know about you, but this got me pumped because I'm definitely gonna be putting some stuff together so I can use and my home could use, my family could use. So I'm definitely pumped. So if you stayed to this part, I want you to do me a favor. I want you to put a heart emoji in the comment section below, because then that means you're an essential oil lover like me, because I'm definitely gonna dive into this to see how it works for us. But next month, if you kind of want a heads up, since you stayed to the end and you want to kind of see what's going to be in the next box, the theme for the next box is mood boost. So it says supporting your emotional wellness. So some of the oils that are being there is energy blend, patchouli, orange, and cypress. Some of the recipes, it says 6 toxin-free recipes, including 2 DIY diffusers, a personal inhaler, roll-on, and diffuser blend. Some extras will be aromatherapy inhaler, lava beads, and diffuser reeds. Things you'll need at home, and it says a small narrow neck jar, vodka, or rubbing alcohol, and a string of extra beads for DIY diffuser jewelry optional. Don't miss on our Toxic Free community. Another thing, they do have a Facebook group, which is super cool, because I've noticed with the subscription boxes that do actually have Facebook groups, you get more ideas from other people in that community. So if you've subscribed, definitely go check out their Facebook community, because that's how you get a lot of ideas. I love when there's a Facebook group for a subscription box. Whew. So with that, definitely I'll see you in that community. If you're already in there, definitely look for me, wave hi, say, or if you're in the community already, definitely leave me a comment so I can definitely communicate with you and see you on Facebook. So with that being said, you guys make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video, and we'll see you on the next video. So have a good day, guys. I hope you enjoy this one.